All right, breaking news. Well, technically breaking news from Thursday. But anyway, the custodian of the two holy mosques, His Majesty King Salman, issued a royal decree appointing a new Minister of Investment, His Excellency Fahad bin Abdul Jalil Al-Saif. This is a significant moment for Saudi's economic transformation, and he replaces His Excellency Khalid Al-Falih, who served 6 years in the role and now has been appointed Minister of State, remaining firmly in the cabinet, a respectful transition at the highest level. So, who is Fahad Al-Saif? He is a public investment fund, PIF, insider, a financial architect, a man who helped engineer Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth strategy from the inside. He comes directly from the PIF, where he served as head of investment strategy and economic insights and head of global capital finance. He helped shape PIF's entire capital allocation framework, secured its credit rating, and launched Saudi Arabia's first ever green bond. Before PIF, he was the founding CEO of the National Debt Management Center, managing over 900 billion riyals in debt instruments between 2015 and 2020. He advised the Minister of Finance. He held senior leadership roles at HSBC Saudi's SAB. And his board positions, well, you've got NEOM, Aqua Power, Avi Lease, Gulf International Bank, King Salman International Airport. The list goes on. This man literally knows where every riyal flows in this economy. So now, what does this transition mean, and what does it actually signal? Al-Falih spent 6 years opening Saudi Arabia's doors to the world, pioneering, evangelizing, attracting global attention, mission accomplished with flying colors. And His Excellency Al-Saif's appointment signals a shift from the promotion to precision, now from opening doors to optimizing what flows through them. He is a data-driven sovereign wealth strategist with one clear mission: closing that FDI gap. Saudi Arabia attracted $31.7 billion in FDI, foreign direct investment, in 2024. The annual target is $100 billion. You can do the math yourself. His Excellency Al-Saif is the man they believe can bridge it. And with a new PIF 5-year strategy being unveiled very soon, prioritizing AI, minerals, tourism, and the timing is actually deliberate. It's not a reshuffle, it's not a recalibration. Sorry, it is a recalibration. Now let's pay tribute to His Excellency Khalid Al-Falih, one of the most consequential figures in modern Saudi economic history. And I say that with some personal conviction because I've had the privilege of and honor of meeting him, crossing paths with him on a number of occasions, first back in 2011 and 12 when I was at Aramco in Petrobras, and then again just last month at Davos, and most recently right here at the PIF Private Sector Forum last week in Riyadh. Every single account had the same impression: a true statesman. And the record speaks for itself. He joined Aramco at age 19, rose to become its CEO, became the first ever Minister of Energy, Industry and Mineral Resources, and then in 2020 became the first ever Minister of Investments, literally creating the ministry from scratch and opening Saudi Arabia's doors to the world. Under his watch, Saudi Arabia attracted hundreds of billions in foreign investment commitments and positioned the kingdom as one of the world's most dynamic investment destinations. Now, he holds a King Abdul Aziz Medal, which is Saudi Arabia's highest civilian honor. Japan awarded him the Order of the Rising Sun. Forbes named him one of the most powerful people. So, his legacy? Saudi Arabia is firmly on the global investment map. There's no doubt about it. And that doesn't happen just by accident. Anyway, this is Mubashir Malik reporting from Saudi Arabia for the Saudi Wire, your frontline intelligence on the kingdom, part of the Gulf Wire network. I look forward to sitting down with His Excellency Al-Saif very soon.